Well, here we are changing the tire on Christy's car. We think it was vandals. We're not sure.
Yeah, you know, it's the crime thing.
It's hitting all the cities these days.
They're just jealous with a brand new car, running around, slashing tires.
Mm-hmm.
It's a sad thing.
It is a sad thing. And they didn't just get one, they got another one. Here's another instance here. Crime in the big city. There it is, the flat tire. Let's go back over here and see how they're doing. Oh yes, the hands of a surgeon. Doing a fine job, a mighty fine job.
Am I putting it, is this the way it's supposed to go on?
Yeah, that looks good. I think I'll zoom in. Yes, he's got it right, folks. Hands look cold though. Kill him.
It's hard to say.
Well, we have to go in now. We're getting cold.